What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing a Gemini Jets Collection video for you guys. This does consist of over 150 model planes. I hope you guys do enjoy. I have been collecting for over 8 years, and this is my entire collection, as you can see here. And we'll be going over all of these airplanes starting right now. We're going to start off with United, starting off with this United Express-8Q200 by Gemini Jets. Then we have two United Express CRJ200s in the old livery by Gemini Jets. Two United Express E145s by Gemini Jets. This one is a custom, as you can probably tell. Two United Express CRJ550s in the new livery. A United Express Embraer E170 in the old livery. Two United Express Embraer E175s in the old livery. Two United Express E175s by Gemini Jets in the new livery. Now moving on to mainline, we have United Express 737-700 in the old livery. Two A319s, which is a fantastic mold by Gemini Jets. One A320 in the old livery by Velocity Models. United A320 Stars and Bars by Gemini Jets. United 737-800 by NG Models. This is in the Star Alliance livery. United 737-800 in the new livery by Gemini Jets. United 737-800 by Gemini Jets in the old livery. United 737-800 new livery by NG Models. And then the United 737-900 Continental Retro livery by Gemini Jets. Then we have a Philippine Airlines Airbus A330 by Phoenix, I think. No, Gemini Jets. Alitalia Airbus A330 by Gemini Jets. British Airways A320 by Gemini Jets. British Airways 747 by Gemini Jets. American 777-300 by Gemini Jets. Now back to United. United 777-300 by Gemini Jets. United 787-10 by Gemini Jets. United 777-200 by Gemini Jets. This is in the old livery. This is also by Gemini Jets, but in the new livery. United 787-9 by Gemini Jets. United 787-9 by NG Models. United 767 in the new livery by Gemini Jets. United 757 Here Art Here by NG Models. Plane livery United 752 by Gemini Jets. United Max 9 by Gemini Jets. Another United Max 9 by Gemini Jets. United 737-900 Eco Skies livery by Gemini Jets. And a very rare model that most people probably don't have, which is the United Shuttle 737-300 by Gemini Jets. Now moving on to Southwest, we have a Southwest 737-800 Canyon Blue by NG Models. Another 737-800 by Gemini Jets. This is in the Heart livery, and this is in the Canyon Blue livery by Gemini Jets. And we have two Max 8s by Gemini Jets. 737-800 by Gemini Jets. A 737-700 Canyon Blue by Gemini Jets. Tennessee 1 by Gemini Jets. Another Canyon Blue, Heart livery. If I didn't say Heart livery, this is also the Heart livery. So two Heart liveries by Gemini Jets. Triple Crown 1, sorry about that, by Gemini Jets. Louisiana 1 by Gemini Jets. Colorado 1 by Gemini Jets. Nevada 1 Custom but mainly by Gemini Jets. I just fixed up the tail, as you can see. Florida 1 by Gemini Jets. Arizona 1. 737-300 by Gemini Jets. Another 737-300 by Gemini Jets, but in the Canyon Blue livery. Starting off American, we have a two CRJ 200s. This is in the old livery and this is in the new livery. Then a American Eagle Embraer E175. American Airbus A319 by Gemini Jets. A320 by Gemini Jets. And then we'll go over a few more models and then get back to American. We do have a 777-300 by American as well. Air Canada E190 in the mint blue livery. Air Canada 787-9 mint livery. And then the Hawaiian Airbus A330 in the old livery. And then we'll move on to Delta and then get back to American. There's the A330-300 by NG Models new livery. And here is a Air Canada CRJ 900 by Gemini Jets. Delta 767 by Gemini Jets. This one is without winglets. 757-300 Flying Pencil by Gemini Jets. Delta 752 by Gemini Jets. Delta A321 by Gemini Jets. 737-900 by Gemini Jets. 737-800 also by Gemini Jets. And the now retired Delta Mad Dog MD90. Then we have a Delta A220, Delta 717, Delta E170, and then a Delta CRJ 700. Now we are back to American with this 767 without winglets. Then a American 757-200. A321 by NG Models stand up to Cancer livery. Two plain A321s by Gemini Jets. A Max 8 by Gemini Jets. A Air Cal Retro livery 738. A One World livery 738. Now moving on to Frontier. We have a Frontier Airbus A321, Aero Classics. Another Aero Classics A321. A Gemini Jets A320 Neo in the Champ the Bronco livery. Two A320s by Aero Classics. Actually, three. These are all A320 Neos. Then we have a Frontier Airbus A320 Griswold the Bear. And then a Frontier Airbus A319 in the Puffin livery, I think is what it's called. Now moving on to Alaska, we have a Alaska, sorry about that, Dash AQ400, Alaska E175 enhanced winglets, Alaska A320, Alaska 737-700 in the old livery, Alaska 737-700 new livery, Alaska 737-800 new livery, Alaska 737-900 without winglets, Alaska 737 More to Love, very gorgeous livery by Virgin America and Alaska. Then we have a broken Alaska 737-800 Boeing house livery. Then a Alaska 737-900 honoring those who served. Starting off Spirit, we have a Airbus A320 by Gemini Jets and another Airbus A320 by Gemini Jets. Then we will just move around over to these Spirits right here. This is a Spirit Airbus A320 in the rainbow livery. Spirit A321 by NG Models. JetBlue Airbus A320 I Heart New York. Blueberry's tail, jet blue with sharklets. High-rise livery, JetBlue A320. JetBlue A321 by Aero Classics. Sun Country 737-800 by NG Models. Both of these are by NG Models, but this is in the new livery. Allegiant A319 with sharklets. Allegiant A320 with the fence tip winglets. Aeromexico Embraer E170. Aeromexico 737-800. Icelandair 757. This is in the, what livery is it? The 80-year strong livery. Icelandair 757-200 Hecla Aurora. Cayman Air Max 8 by Aero Classics. Copa 737-800 and the MLB livery. We'll get a quick overview of that. There we go. And we have two Hawaiian 717s in the new livery, both by Gemini Jets. Then a Hawaiian 717 old livery. Two Hawaiian A321 Neos. And then a WOW Air A321 Neo. And then a ANA A380. Then we have a Japan Airlines 787. Japan Airlines 767. FedEx 767. FedEx 757, all by Gemini Jets. FedEx MD-11F by Gemini Jets. FedEx 777 by Gemini Jets. UPS MD-11F by Gemini Jets. UPS 747-8 by Gemini Jets. UPS 767 by Gemini Jets. UPS 757 by Gemini Jets. Prime Air 767 by Gemini Jets. The Firefighter something tanker, super tanker by Phoenix, I believe. There is a better view. Then we have a Volaris A321. A blank Taiwan Military 737-800. Virgin America A321 Neo. Air Force 2 United States of America C-32. WestJet 737 MAX 8. And then a WestJet 737 800 by NG Models. Then we have a DHL 737-800. Then right here we have a Norwegian MAX 8 by Gemini Jets. A WestJet 767 by Gemini Jets. A Norwegian 787 by Gemini Jets. Lufthansa A350 by Gemini Jets. Lufthansa 747-8 in the Seeger livery by Gemini Jets. And a Elderweeze A330 by Gemini Jets. Then on the other side of the table we have two more aircrafts, which is the Atlas Air 747-8 and the Qantas 787-9 100-year strong livery. That does conclude today's collection video. I hope you guys did enjoy seeing my 150 model planes. I've been collecting for over 8 years, and there were many brands that I have purchased, such as Gemini Jets, NG Models, JC Wings, Phoenix Models, NG Models, if I didn't say that already, Gemini Jets, a bunch of good brands. Over the 8 years, it has been an amazing experience to collect all these models, and I am very happy to have all of these in my collection. And I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and if you did, please consider leaving a like, as it really helps support my channel and makes me motivated to keep making these types of videos. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good rest of your day or night. Goodbye.